Welcome to TradeTheMBI.com. This is Jonas. Reports for the 15th. Continuation lower, and so what we had was the big drop day. Fine, we had been waiting for that for quite some time based on our shakeout readings here. We're falling dramatically. We had been in a short signal for weeks, and it was just going flat. And then all of a sudden it breaks, and that's typically how that tends to work. Now, we then had the huge buyback, and as all those new buyers came back in, shorts that had covered said, new opportunity, and all we've done is come right back. And that's because we stayed in the sell signal. So there's no change, and we can look at that disparity right here in the DOC range. Not to mention green still followed. Finally got a little bit of a turn in long-term buyers, so some people are seeing value in the decline and trying to take advantage of it and suck up a little bit of it. We'll see how that goes. The NQ much stronger. You can see where the ES is already back down to its lows. The NQ not even moving at all. So much bigger support, and you can see the Dow actually lower than the other. So the same story. NQ stronger, so Nasdaq's got a little more strength. ES right behind it, and the Dow has been lagging serious time. Euro took a little bit of a pop, but still caught right in the same range. No real difference there. And that's just because there's no disparity now between what the expectation from the EU is. Now, if interest rates were actually going to rise in the U.S., then you would see the euro fall some more. But right now, we're in a stasis point as long as the EU is doing more liquid. And that's just because there's really no growth. But we've been talking about that for how many years now? TLT, still nowhere. I told you bonds were way over the top, and sure enough, they still are. So, and any prospect of increase in interest rates is only going to send those even further territory. Gold, nothing happening with gold. And likewise, oil. Again, the spigot can always come on, and without growth, you've got an oversupply. There's just no way around this setup at this particular point. This is going to remain in a small range for quite some time, which should theoretically benefit the market in general because it should improve growth. So we had our beautiful short setup from this case chart here from the other day, and we went sort of like sideways negative here. Finally, a brief little spot, but that didn't produce anything. And then we jumped right back up with the short setup right there, and that made new lows. So that worked out beautifully. And all we are is right back down to that 2113 range. Here it was from a 5K chart, so we had a bunch of choppy. We were talking about this, and then boom, we had a nice little bounce right up there. Got way over the top, but way over plus 20 here on the orange, flipping us to a short configuration, and it was rather choppy. We're going to see a lot more of this as polls in that dictate where market leaders are going to be trying to shift money and or hold money, and that should create some significant drop moves where money is being held from the market as opposed to just being applied, and that's going to have a downward pressure to it in the short term. Once things start to solidify, there's a clear understanding of what the perception of the election will be as far as the direction, then you'll see a significant turnaround back to the upside, and that's where we'll be headed. But be around all day. Programming for this still have this small brief window. Look at it. We're so close. Only right in there, we've got this small little window where I've got to cover market dynamics, and then we can start adjusting for some of these interim buys within the short configuration. So it'll be fantastic when that's finalized. As always, you look for me on the Skype chat. Trade well.